together. My name is Moritz from LVDS, and as you maybe know, we got a lot of interesting products with the i.MX93 outcoming, with different families like PicoCore, but also OSM from the SCAD. One of the key features of this new CPU is the ARM Ethos NPU, which is perfectly designed for AI applications. Today, my colleague Claudio is here with us, and he can explain you something about a demonstration we have built. So Claudio?
Yeah, hello, my name is Claudio Senatore, and I'd like you to present the AI example here. And yeah, we have PicoCore ARM-Ethos93 running on a baseboard, and the processor provides a neural processing unit for AI applications that we can see here. This AI application is an object detection model, and it detects all the THT components on this designed baseboard here. And for example, when I take a component, then the neural processing unit runs the application, and the application detects a missing component that I have taken here. And yeah, this is the whole application. We have a camera that provides the image, the video over USB. And yeah, there are some color conversions and some image rotations and image pre-processing processes that runs here. And yeah, the output of this video pipeline is, comes with the AI information. Yeah, that is shown here. And yeah, that's the little demonstration here.
So, thank you, Claudio, for all the explanations. If you want to check it out, just come to our booth or contact us. We can give you more information about the system. Thank you very much, and see you next time.